So many people actually believe that only people that are in debt need financial advisors. Many people actually think only when you're in financial trouble should you get a financial coach or a planner. And it's true, even for forex traders. There are forex traders, as long as they are making money, they don't see the need for a financial coach because we tend to only seek help when we are in trouble. And I think that's not a good way to go about with your finances, even if you are making millions and millions of dollars in trading. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Go ahead and like the video. If you did not learn one or two things in this video, I believe I would have entertained you for a couple of minutes. So the least you can do for me is to just like the video. If you have any thoughts, comments, or things like that, leave them in the comments section below. If you are looking to download stuff, forex robots, indicators, books, all for free, everything that we do on this channel is for free. You don't pay me anything. There are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Then many people also ask me about the broker that I use. See the link in the description box below. So going back to the topic of our video today, it's a subject that I began with a few videos. You can watch them on this channel when you're finished watching this one. Trying to share some knowledge, wisdom, whatever you call it, regarding financial management for us as traders. So what we are saying is, because I do have some of these conversations with the guys that I trade with, and I think to myself, well, let me not just have these conversations with the guys that I work with, but let me also just put it out there. Maybe it might actually help us or one or two people. So many people do actually look for financial advice only because the bank wants to take their car, the bank wants to take their house, their wife wants to leave them because they're drowning in debt. That's when people start thinking about, I need a financial advisor, I need a financial planner, a financial coach and stuff. But I honestly believe you actually need a financial coach, advisor, when you are still okay, when everything is still fine, when you are still making those thousands and thousands in your trading, when you are still making a lot of money and everything is still perfect. That's when you actually need a financial coach so that you actually don't end up in financial trouble. I don't know if it makes sense. So I would say, because I'm not going to recommend any financial institution or anything like that, but I would say, in your town, area where you live, you can actually look around and see if you cannot find a financial advisor that can actually help you to manage what your finances. If you are making a lot of money in trading, you need ways to actually manage that money. I've seen forex traders who actually have gone from making millions to actually being broke. Forex traders who went from riding around in BMWs, nice cars, nice home, to actually going broke. It happens. It happens in soccer, it happens in music, it happens in entertainment, it happens everywhere. If you do not know how to manage your finances, you might actually be in trouble. That's why I'm saying, when things are still fine that's when you need to actually seek for financial help, especially if you have no idea whatsoever about what to do with the millions or the thousands that you are actually making in trading. It's not just for flexing on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook and stuff. You actually need financial intelligence in your life. You do. You actually need financial intelligence in your life. So, what financial coaches actually can do for you is to actually help you to plan for things like retirement. Let's face it, you are not going to be in your prime until 100 years or whatever age that you are aiming for. So you need right now, when you are still in your prime, to actually start developing some wealth, creating some wealth that you are actually going to be enjoying when you are in your 80s, where when your eyesight is not no longer as good and your mind is no longer as good to be coming to the charts. You are going to have to live off what? The wealth that you saved up somewhere, or that you invested somewhere, or that you created somewhere from the money that you were making when you were a young forex trader. That's where financial planners come in. Of course, it's a known fact. Many traders are actually in debt, despite what people portray on Instagram, on Twitter, Facebook. There are traders who are actually in debt. It happens. The law of money is sometimes that the more you make, the more debt you actually incur, because people try to keep up what? Appearances. So you find that forex traders are actually in debt. You actually need a financial planner to help you deal with that. But my emphasis is on getting financial help before you actually get in that situation. Then, emergencies. Of course, financial foreign exchange, forex, is like or using your mind. You might say, well, why do I need to save for emergencies? Well, what's the problem? When you're trading forex, it's not like you are digging a road or painting a house, or it's a mental game, so you can always do it. But what if you find yourself in a situation where you are in a coma, or where you are in a situation where basically you cannot come to the charts? How is your family going to survive in that situation? How are you going to be able to pay your bills in that situation? You get, God forbid, you get one of these pandemics, these diseases that are coming up nowadays, or you get injured in a road accident and you're not able to come to the charts. What happens in that situation? A financial coach can actually help you to save some money somewhere where something happens to you, your family is taken care of. Your family is taken care of. Investments. There are so many investment options out there. When you sit down with a financial coach and advisor, they can actually help you to decide on which route to take, which options best suit you as an individual. Which options best suit you? Let's face it, not everything that other people are doing out there is for me. So they will look at you, what you plan to do with your money, what's your plans for the future, and things like that. And they can actually come up with a custom financial plan just for you and your family. So I do believe, as a forex trader, you do actually need to get some financial planning in place. Find a financial advisor or a financial coach. I said, if Olympians, if like A grade athletes, the guys that win the Olympics, the footballers that go to the World Cup, all those star athletes, if they require coaches, then definitely everyone needs a coach. Everyone needs coaching. You might be good at making money. You might be good at making money, but you might actually be bad at managing it. You might be good at making money, but bad at managing it. That's where you actually need somebody to actually help you to keep the money that you'd have worked hard for. Okay, I've spoken a lot. I hope this video gives you something to think about. Again, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Like this video. Until next time, bye.